So you want to invest? Hold on, cash account first? Ever get that feeling? You're ready to take the plunge, invest your hard-earned money, and watch it grow like a financial beanstalk. But then you stumble upon this term, cash account. Maybe you've used a checking or savings account, but this sounds different. Is it some secret investor tool? Does it involve actual bags of cash? Don't worry, it's not that complicated. But before you jump into the world of investing, understanding account types is crucial. Today, we're diving deep into Questrade, a popular online brokerage in Canada, and specifically, whether you can open a cash account there. Let's rewind a bit. Why are cash accounts even a thing? Imagine this, you walk into a casino with $100. You can only play with that $100. You win some, you lose some, but you never go beyond that initial amount. That's essentially a cash account. You invest with the money you deposit, and that's your limit. No borrowing, no surprises, just you and the market. Sounds simple, right? So, can Questrade be your investing casino with a strict cash-only policy? Here's the twist. While Questrade offers a variety of accounts, including tax-free savings accounts, TFSAs, and registered retirement savings plans, RRSPs, they don't have a standalone cash account option. Wait, what? Don't panic. This doesn't mean you can't invest with Questrade if you prefer a cash-like experience. Here's the key, Questrade offers margin accounts. Now, the term margin might sound fancy, but it basically means borrowing money from the brokerage to invest. Hold on, isn't that the opposite of a cash account? Yes and no. While margin accounts allow borrowing, you don't have to use that feature. Think of it like a credit card with a high limit. You have it, but you choose not to max it out. As long as you only invest with the cash you deposit, you are essentially replicating a cash account experience. Let's break down the pros and cons of using a margin account this way. Pros. Access to a wider range of investments. Questrade offers stocks, ETFs, options, and more. With a cash-only approach, you can still access all these options. Lower minimum deposit. Unlike some brokers with cash accounts, Questrade's minimum deposit requirement is lower, making it easier to get started. Flexibility. If ever in the future you decide to explore margin investing, the option is already there within your account. Cons. Temptation to borrow. Having access to borrowed money can be tempting, especially for new investors. It's crucial to stick to your cash investing plan and avoid margin debt. Margin calls. If the value of your investments falls significantly, you might receive a margin call, forcing you to deposit more cash or sell holdings to meet the minimum balance requirement. So, the bottom line, while Questrade doesn't offer dedicated cash accounts, you can achieve a similar experience using a margin account responsibly. Just remember, treat it like a cash account, invest only with the money you have, and avoid the borrowing temptations. Here are some additional things to consider. Do your research before investing with any platform. Understand their fees, features, and account types. Start small, don't jump in head first. Begin with a small amount, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence. Have a plan, set investment goals, and develop a strategy aligned with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By choosing the right platform and approach, you can take control of your financial future, one calculated step at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.